Hariham, Namaste, welcome to Chandan's Fitness Club. Today we will be learning about Hatha Yoga. What is Hatha Yoga and what are the benefits and how do we perform Hatha Yoga sequence. Before that, please do click on subscribe button and bell icon to get the notifications. What is Hatha Yoga? The word Hatha means willful or forceful. Hatha Yoga refers to set of physical exercises known as asanas or postures and sequence of asanas designed to align our skin, muscles and bones. The word A refers to sun. The word Ta refers to moon. What is it? Hatha Yoga is basically to maintain heat and cold in the human body. Hatha Yoga is a path to create a balance in the human body. It is a traditional practice which includes 6 movements of our body. It means forward bend, backward bend, twisting and inversion towards the hand. Limitations: the people who have knee injury, elbow injury and then neck injury, spondylosis problem and then spine problem, please avoid the practice. Please do scale down which I have given. Let us learn the sequence of Hatha Yoga. How do we perform? What are the steps we follow while performing Hatha Yoga? Om Sahanavavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahehi Tejasvinamaditamasthu ma vidvishavahehi. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. We are going to perform Parshva Uttanasana, keeping your feet hip width apart, standing still. Place your palms on the hip. Inhale, right leg back to medium stance. Make sure your both the toes pointing forward. If you have knee injury, bend your right knee. Others, keeping your right knee straight. Interlock your elbow. This is scale down. Adap Namaskara Mudra. This is scale up. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, bend forward all the way down from the hip joint. Stay here for 10 breaths. Inhale, come up. Lengthen your spine, come up. Slowly release your hands. Place on your wrist. Bend your right leg. Exhale, feet together. Balancing asana. In the balancing asanas, gaze is important. Make sure when you fix your gaze, you are not shifting your gaze. If you shift your gaze, there might be chances to fall down. Now we are going to perform Vrikshasana. Keeping your feet hip width apart, place your palms on the hip, look forward, slowly shift your weight to left foot. Bend your right leg, grab your ankle. Common mistakes: you are keeping your foot on the knee. You are not keeping foot on the knee, either down or else up. And knee towards right completely. Make sure you should feel the stretch on inner thigh and then side thigh. Lengthen your spine. Exhale, join your palms. Next inhalation, you're gonna stretch your both the hands up. Look forward. Stay here for 10 breaths. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Relax your body. As you exhale, slowly release your hands on the hip. Slowly release your posture. Now we are going to perform other side. Inhale, bend your left leg, grab your ankle, toes pointing down, keeping your knee towards left. Exhale, join your palms. Inhale, stretching your both the hands up. Be here for 10 counts. Next exhalation, slowly release your hands. slowly relax the posture. The name of this asana is Shalabhasana. Make a fist of your hands. Place your both the hands below your thighs. Inhale. Slowly lift your both the legs up. Stay here. If this is not possible, bend your right leg. Rest your left foot on the right foot. This is scale down. Exhale, slowly release. Then switch to other side. Slowly exhale and release. In all the postures, we are going to hold 10 breaths. The name of this asana is Paschimottanasana. Keeping your feet together, fingers pointing forward, lengthen your spine. Inhale, stretching your both the hands up. Exhale, bend forward. Scale down, grab your ankles. Scale up, grab your foot. Inhale, head up, chest up. Exhale, complete fold forward. Inhale, slowly come up. Exhale, release. Vakrasana. Inhale, bend your right leg. Make sure your knee pointing up. Inhale, stretching your both the hands up. Exhale, twist your chest to right. Your left upper arm gonna place outside of your right thigh. Your right hand behind your back. Common mistakes, don't round your spine. Keeping your spine straight, twist. Try to maintain both the shoulders in one line. Look over your right shoulder. It is very good practice for dysmenorrhea, any stomach pain. It improves lungs capacity and also digestive system. Inhale, stretching your both the hands up. Exhale, release. And other side as well. We are gonna perform inversion Setu Bandhasana. Bend your both the legs. If it is possible, grab your ankle. If it is not possible, that is still fine. Place next to your feet. Slowly inhale, stretching your hip up to the ceiling. Engage your glute muscles and then buttocks. It is very good asana for heart patients. It reduces migraine, vertigo. It increases lungs capacity. It also improves muscle strength in the hip joints. As you exhale, slowly release. Stretch your both the legs forward. Counter pose, we are going to perform Pavana Muktasana. Slowly inhale, stretching your both the legs up. Bend your both the legs. Hug your both the knees. Your chin closer to the knees. Stay here for 10 counts. As you exhale, slowly place your head on the mat. Release your hands. Stretch your both the legs forward. If you have any doubts related to this video, please do comment on comment box or else inbox me. Thank you so much for watching my video. If it is really helpful for you, please do click on subscribe button and then like button. If you need more notifications regarding my videos, please do click on bell button. Thank you so much once again.